Feeling the stifling heat of summer only to be met with a blast of warm air from your AC can turn any day into a sweltering nightmare. You're not alone if you've experienced the frustration of your air conditioner blowing hot air instead of the cool relief you desperately crave. But fear not. Understanding the causes behind this common issue and exploring solutions can transform your living space into an oasis of chill comfort once again. When your AC unit betrays you with hot air instead of the refreshing coolness you expect, several factors may be at play. One of the primary culprits could be a refrigerant leak, which compromises the system's ability to cool the air effectively. Additionally, a malfunctioning compressor or condenser unit, dirty air filters, or blocked vents can all contribute to this unwelcome phenomenon. Thankfully, there are steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve this issue. Firstly, check your air filters and vents for any obstructions or dirt buildup, as these can impede airflow and hinder cooling efficiency. Next, ensure that your thermostat is set to the appropriate temperature and that it is functioning correctly. If you suspect a refrigerant leak or a more serious mechanical problem, it's best to enlist the help of a professional HVAC technician to diagnose and address the issue. Don't let the frustration of a malfunctioning AC ruin your summer oasis. Subscribe to our channel for expert tips and advice on maintaining your HVAC system and keeping your home cool and comfortable year-round. Share this information with friends and family who may be experiencing similar issues, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. With our guidance and your proactive approach, you'll soon be enjoying the cool breeze of a fully functional air conditioner once again.